friends, today we are going to unbox Sony MDR-XB550AP with extra bass. This is a headphones which are extra bass with a wide connection. You can see the specification. It has 30 mm drivers, powerful bass, direct sound delivery, AirPods with soft cushions, and it has a hands-free phone calls and remote control for a smartphone. It comes with a tangle-free cable, both sides cable, and cable length is 1.2. You will get the 1-year warranty from the Sony. Now we are going to unbox these headphones. We're going to unbox. Keep it aside. We're going to open. See, this is the headphones. Comes with soft cushion box, the well-built box. You can see there is no extra fittings in this box. Keep it aside. And there's this headphones. This is Sony headphones. It has adjustable legs. And soft cushion and tangle-free cable with 3.5 mm jack and a microphone with one-click button. It has padding at the top and a metal frame on the top to get extra protection. It is flexible. Branding is on both sides of the fish. The model number is MDR-XB550. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for future more updates.